the 2.4 we'll explain about the clustered column chart. As I have said, for every bar chart there will be column chart as well. So here if you see closely, there is no logical difference between the clustered bar chart and clustered column chart here. Only difference is the priority or depend on the clients. So here we will move the clustered column chart. Simply click, adjust its size. Now we can see here numerical data is showing along the y-axis, so we'll follow the same process. So here our numerical data cells in the y-axis. Now here we can see the blue color column showing the cells. After in the x-axis we'll move the region, and in the region we'll move the category here. So here three different color like furniture, office supply and technology in the category showing us three different color. If you see the central region, there is very less difference between the furniture, office supply and technology, which is clearly visible here. But if you go to stack bar chart here, so here it's very difficult to predict the differences. So that is the advantage of the clustered column chart over the stack column chart or stack bar chart here. And also let's see one more thing here. I will do the copy paste now. Now in the clustered column chart, we can easily compare the sales and profit in the two different clusters here. Here, light blue color represent the sales and dark blue color represent the profit here. So it's very easy to see the differences between the sales and profit. So this is all about the clustered column chart.